Oh my, we moved from A to B, just like the thumbnail. You see how we transformed this hair. So my client sent in a braided wig that it's tall and she used black thread to patch it. So let's get right into the video. So this is the back of the hair. You can see there's a lot of dirt, foundation, glue all over it. So we'll go ahead to wash it thoroughly first. And this is after washing. You can see the hair is looking bright and fine. So I just go ahead to use blade to cut off that black threads that she used to patch the hair. Just so this is what I did. I got a blade and I'm removing it. You can see how torn the hair is. Like you can see it. That's the reason why she used black thread to patch it. And you can see the back. This is how it looks like at the back of the hair. This is how torn it is. So we'll be needing our nets. You can use cut small off from your Swiss lace net. Don't use very soft Swiss lace. Use a stronger one. Then I make use of office pin. Use it to pin the small Swiss lace down to the cap. So this is like a video on how to patch a net without using invisible thread. Like in this video, we are not going to make use of any invisible thread, and the end result will still come out so neat. Yeah, definitely. The end result is so neat. You won't even know that something was wrong with the hair. So I just try to fit in the cap on the canvas head, and this is what it looks like. So after I fitting the cap from the canvas head, I'm going to use my ventilating pin to be hooking the side that is torn then with the net that I pinned down. Do you get? Like the sides that those sides that are torn, I'm going to use my ventilating pin, pin the net that is torn, and the net that I put under the first net that we pinned down. Then I now use the ventilating pin to pick my hair and then knot. So just like you're using the ventilating pin now to knot, like to join the two nets together, the net that is done and then the new net. So not like you are sewing while you are ventilating. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but that's basically what I'm doing, and I'm working with the lines. So I'm just trying to work with the lines while doing it. I use the color of attachment that is same color as her hair, because for real, I'm a hair vendor, I'm a stylist, so I have almost all colors of attachment in my house. So yeah, I use the color of attachment and I'm just pinning it, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm working with the actual line or not. So this is just me. The hair is a single knotting. I'm just following the line because you know it came with a middle part, and I'm just following the middle part to make sure I'm not going to make mistake, and to make sure it comes out the way. You can see it's hooking. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just joining the net that is torn, the side that is torn, then with that net that we pinned down on our canvas head. That's basically what I'm doing. So if yours is torn that way and you don't have a visible thread, this is the right method. And why it's very good is that this is the front hair, like this is the center of attraction if you are wearing a braided wig. So we don't want a situation whereby the net the invisible thread, sorry, is showing, because we're not going to create magic now, so the visible thread would show. So that same thing I did to the other side, I'm doing to the other side, and you see the way it is. You can see I'm trying to put the hairs inside, so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm done ventilating the two sides. Now is now let's get to the main business of the day. So we'll make use of our crochets. So it's crochet we're using to crochet it inside the braids, because we don't have to lose the braid. If we lose the braids, by the time we are losing dragging, definitely it will net to tear more. So we are just going to use the crochet to crochet that one inside the braids. That's why it's good to use a longer one to crochet it inside the braids. You want to crochet it inside the braid all through. This is not the big size of crochet, actually is this the medium or the small, is small one, but not that small type they use for ventilation. No, it's bigger than that one, is but you can use that one they use for ventilation, fine, that one is very fine and preferably also, but don't use the big one because the big one might end up poking the net or causing you more harm than good. Make I use that English. All right, so this is what I'm doing. Just see, I'm crocheting the attachment inside the braids, and voila, you won't believe that something went wrong there. You won't. I bet you won't believe. So this is basically what I did. You can see The video is so fast, so detailed. All the whole this thing is, you can see how easy it is, right? So this is what they call work of art. This is work of art. So I'm basically going to do the same thing here, and I'm done. I just went ahead to spray my oil sheen spray. Then how to use dryer to trim: you use your hand to cover the back of that dryer, then you on it to the highest. Make sure it's bringing out heat, not normal air. It's bringing out the heat is bringing out is hot. So you just use your hand to cover the back of the dryer, just like I illustrated in this video. Then when you use your hand to cover the back of the dryer, it trims the hair off. You can see how shiny the hair is. It will trim the hair very smoothly. This hack is the best hack to use to trim 1 billion braids, Ghana weaving. Like, it trims your hair so smoothly without no fly away and rest. You can see the way the heat that is coming out from it to trim the hair, and the hair will come out so fine and so shiny. That's why you need to spray oishi first before using the blow dryer. This is just me trimming it, and that was the reason why the hair, this is a full braided wig revamp service we rendered here. Like, this is braided wig revamp service, and see the way it's looking. And then voila, this is the end result. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Thank you for watching, and if you have watched to this point, please do well to like, comment, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.